Does it get any better than this? Let the fun begin, man. Are you going to take it, mate? Oh, there he goes. That might be a herring. No, it's just a tiny whiting. A bit like a nightmare though, didn't he? We've got big chunks of mullet on and nothing's interested. Any particular spots you're thinking? Nah, man. I was looking at it, it's all like 240, 260 meters. It's pretty much going to be the safe drop point for me. That's such a dope drone. It doesn't move, eh? It's just... Nah. It's just not even phased by it. I'm getting bites every cast, I just can't land them. Yeah. They're just laughing at us now. Oh, I should have brought some beers. Then take it or not? Oh, you got a bit of a nib, did you? Wow. I'm really. Oh! That was real. That was proper. They've come out late. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, you're still there. All right, put this down for a sec. Something could happen here. Yes. What have we got here? I'm definitely onto something. It's probably a big stingray, mate. Well, we hit that spot twice. Feels like a ray. The way that it took it's like a ray, you know? Maybe some slight head shake action, could be a shark. Now he's finally waking up. Yeah, bronzy. Oh, he got off. Go, little fella. He's gone. Ah, he bit off the hook, look. Wow. Yeah, he's bit off the second hook. That's how he got off. Oh, we got something at least. Not landed though. Yes, a herring! They do exist! Yeah, I was about to say he's a good size.
I'm getting bites again. Here we go.
Hey.
This one's a bit bigger. What? Oh God, could this be the miracle? This might be a big black ray.
You reckon, big black ray? Oh, he's getting angry. Oh yeah.
Oh, he's busting off out there. Can you see him?
No. Oh, look at him go.
He's busting his wing up out there. Oh, it's a ray.
It's a ray?
Yep. I thought it was a way bigger shark.
The way it was flapping around it was. Maybe it was something trying to get it.
Yeah. The shark's ate rays.
Yeah, well it did look like a big bloody shark flapping around.
Yeah, maybe that's what was going on. Maybe it was a shark that was going for it. You did well to avoid that shark then, buddy. Wow, if that shark got on as well, that would have been so interesting.
That was cool though.
It was, wasn't it?
Never seen anything like it.
No, I've never seen that too. I just don't know how that shark didn't actually get that ray.
I'd say he must have literally just pulled it or something because the wave was coming in and it's just missed it or something. But as you said, as soon as you said it and I looked up, you could see it crashing on that boat.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, I thought that you actually had the shark.
Yeah, I thought I had the shark on.
Here we go.
Then as soon as we saw a ray, I'm like, well, that makes sense. Big ass fight. Yeah, just over there, wasn't it?